dumbbell bent row. In the single arm dumbbell bent row, you should have a neutral spine, but you should also have a strong setup. So you should be distributing your weight through both of your feet and the one hand on the bench. While you row, you should be letting your shoulder blades glide forward and pull it back every single rep. One of the things that you do not want to do is you don't want to hoist on the dumbbell like an idiot with a rounded shoulder like I'm doing right now. This guy looks like an 8. Don't be this guy.
It ain't good.
Another thing you don't want to do is you don't want to swing, because this guy looks like a complete moron. He doesn't have good pressure through his hand, and he's looking straight into the camera. From the back, what you should see is that shoulder blade, again, being retracted with every repetition. Again, that power is coming from your back. So that is what you're focusing on in all rows.